G'day! In today's video I'm just doing a quick assembly video on a John Deere balance bike. This is my little 2-year-old man on his birthday. And I've got no idea how this actually goes together. Wheel and forks, handlebars, an included toolkit, and the main body. Righto, looking a bit obvious. It's laid out. Assuming that's going to go through there. Granted, probably should look at the instructions. What have we got? Wheel through, a washer, of all puzzles, let's lay the pieces out first. Yep. One wheel. Let's go through here. Does it do that? Ignore the seat for a second. Then we looked at number 3, which looks to be a washer or a plastic ring on the top, which I'm assuming one plastic ring. Here. One set of handlebars. How's this going to go? Anything special? This looks to go through here. Tighten it up lightly. That looks almost be a collar to go over it. Guess we're going to find out. I'm assuming when this screws shut and clamps, this collar slips over. So I'm going to slip that through here, which it looks like on the instructions, which is this section. I'm going to tighten up here. Spin that around, out of the way, have it on the ground. Here, and that's also to adjust what height you want the handlebars to be. Do it up a little bit by hand to begin with. Then we'll get that, slide it over, and just start tightening up from there. If I spin it the right way, we should just be able to keep going around, hopefully. You want to make sure the handlebars and the wheel are aligned. And if it's not, your little tack is not going to have much fun trying to go straight. So, if you grab that now, you shouldn't be able to pull it apart. Hopefully, this should cover it up like so. So the wheel for me is straight, the cover is not. That's fine, the cover, if I just twist it, I may be able to spin it back around, but with it being off center, I don't think that's really going to harm too much. You could loosen it and spin it so it's dead symmetrical, which I don't really want to be. I'm more concerned about the wheel. And assumably here, on the back, we will feed this over the top. Two of these markings, what have we got? Minimal insertion. So basically it wants that to at least go in. So it would slide in. And from there, tighten it up. probably just tighten it up a bit so it grabs. Don't worry about getting your height right after that, once it starts biting. There we go, so now it's taking a little bit of force to do that. Let's start on the lower setting and just see how he goes. And just keep tightening. A little bit of movement there still. And make sure your seat's also straight as well. Don't have to go overboard. It's only a little kid riding it. It's not going to push the seat down. You might be able to twist it, but you shouldn't be able to push the seat down. There we go, that's going to do for now. And that should be able to spin around. Push down. And we're covered. There we go. Looking at the parts, I'm pretty sure we are all good. So hopefully you had the right tool for that. This thing weighs nothing. And your little man, little girl can have a ball. Bye.